Hello everyone, I'm Sinchana. So this is my first YouTube video. I'm a first year engineering student and I created this channel Engineering Stuff just to share what I learned in a simple and easy way. So my YouTube channel I used to create a content based on what I learned day by day. What I learned new things day by day. I gonna teach you and let's learn and grow together. So I hope my videos will be helpful for the beginners like me. So let's learn and grow together. Keep watching and keep supporting me. So without any further ado, let's begin the video. Okay, this is my first slide what I learned today and this is about me. So in the next slide, the structure of C program. So, what is C Pro? So, next slide is the C program. Okay, what is C program? C program is a set of instructions written in the C programming language to tell the computer what to do. So, it helps us to solve the problems and create simple applications in a clear and efficient way. So a program means, okay, the actual what is a program? The program means a set of instructions. So C program is a very basic level programming language. As a beginner, we suggest you to learn a beginner a C program or a Python. So it's a very basic level language. It is very easy to understand. Is very easy to understand. It helps to solve the problems and create simple applications in a clear and efficient way. So these instructions tell the computer. So the computer is a C program is a set of instruction. That instructions tell the computer what to do, what not to do, and it tells the computer how to do it step by step. So computers cannot think by their own, so they depend on their program. What the humans give to the program, what the humans give the particular task to the program, that the computer do. The computer do what is in the program, what the humans give to the program. Okay, they only follow the instructions given by the humans using programming languages like C. Okay, they only follow the instructions given by humans using programming languages in C. So C language is a simple, fast and easy to understand. Okay, using C programs we can solve problems, perform calculations, create simple applications. Okay, C program is a set of instructions written in the C programming language to tell the computer what to do. It helps us to solve the problems and create simple applications in a clear and efficient way. So nothing much about the C program. It's very basic level languages. It helps us to understand the very basic level things and it tells the computer what to do. Okay, it's a set of instructions. Okay, so it's a set of instructions. It tells the computer what to do it by step. The computers don't know anything. It's only a computer. What the humans give, what the humans instructions give, that will perform. Okay, so C program, understand. Okay, next slide is why we have to look. Next, structure of C program. Okay, the simple C program has the following parts. So header file, main function, statements, I written statements. A header file like include stdio.h. It's a very we are commonly used. We are basically use this header file. Include stdio.h. I will explain more detail in my next upcoming videos. Now I just show what is there all like what is the following the parts of the program only. Okay, the first of a C program is the header file. Header file includes the required library files needed for the program. Header file tells the computer, tells the compiler what functions we are going to use. It tells the computer what are the functions we are going to use in that particular program. So header file includes that only what the compiler what functions we are going to use. Example stdio.h helps to use input and output functions. I am gonna teach input and output functions like printf and scanf in my next videos. So these are the output printf and scanf are the output and input statements we are gonna use. We are gonna use. We are gonna use. Okay, without header files, the programs cannot run, cannot use predefined functions. Without header files, the programs cannot use predefined functions. So next, main function. It's a starting point of the program. means every C program has must have a main. So we commonly use int main, void main. This that int is a data type. If there is no main function, the program will doesn't run. Okay, this is a starting point of the program. I hope you understand. Main function is a very starting point of the program. The main function is not present, the program will does not run. Execution of the program always starts from the program. If the execution of the program only start from the main functions. I hope you understand. Next, statements, instructions to perform tasks. Means instructions to perform tasks. What are the statements we are giving to the computer inside the main functions that the computer will perform. I hope you understand. The statements means what are the instructions we are giving to the computer that will perform. The computer don't understand anything. What all are the instructions we are giving to the program that the computer will do. That the computer will perform the that particular task what we have given. So example calculations displaying output taking input. Now we are giving display this, calculate this, or displaying any output. Display this output. What are the input we are giving? Do display that. Okay. What we are giving to that can perform. Okay, as a statement perform the actual task of the program. What we have to what we have need. We have to tell to that computer do this inside the main functions, giving instructions to the computer to do this. Okay, I hope you understand the statements. Next, a written statement. So written statement marks the end of the program. It says that it's the end of the program by returning return 0. It's nothing much about that. It's the end of the program. It means that the program will execute it successfully. We return it as return 0. It's the end of the program. The program will execute it successfully. I hope you understand. Next, why we have to learn C. Okay, C helps us to understand basic programming concepts. It improves problem solving skills. Many other languages are based on C. It is fast, efficient, and widely used. C helps us to understand basic programming concepts. So concepts like program variables, loops, functions, and conditions. I explain in my other videos what is variables, what is loops, what is functions, and what is conditions. I explain in my next upcoming videos. These concepts are common in all programming languages, not only in C. It is common. The variables, loops, functions, and conditions are all common in all other programming languages. Okay, so by learning C, we build a strong programming foundation. So this is a very basic level programming language. By this, we can build a foundation to learn other high level programming languages. So as a beginner, all have to learn the C or a Python. Okay, it improves problem solving skills. Learning C improves our problem solving skills. We learn how to think logically. By learning C, we learn to think how to think logically to solve the problems. Okay, and we break problems into small parts. So we if they are giving a problem, we have to break that problems into small parts. It helps in C. By learning C, we have to learn how to break the problems into small parts. C helps us to think clearly and return logical solution. It helps us to learn logically, think logically, and helps us to think clearly and logically. Okay, next. Many other languages are based on C. Languages like C++, Java, Python use C concepts. Learning C makes it easier to learn other languages. By learning this C, I already said that by learning this very basic level language C, it helps us to learn other high level languages like C++, Java, and also Python. Okay. Next, it is a fast, efficient, and widely used. Used in operating systems, embedded systems, and hardware programming. Requires less memory and runs fast. Because of its speed and efficiency, C is still widely used. So it is used in operating systems, embedded systems, and hardware programming. Requires less memory and it runs fast. So learning C helps us to understand programming basics, improving problem solving skills, and learn other languages easily. So I hope you understand this slide. So why you have to learn C? It helps us to understand very basic programming concepts. It improves our problem solving skills. Many other languages are based on C. It is fast, efficient, and it's widely used. Hope you understand. So next slide is the structure of C program. So the structure of C program. Start it. Structure of C program. First we have to start. This is beginning of the program. It indicates that the program execution about to start. First the program starts. This is called the start of the program. Next, the write the C program. Here we write the C code. Okay, here we write the C code. This includes write the C program means you have to write the actual code, means like a header files. I already said that header files like include stdio.h and the main function like int main, void main, like that, and the statements in the logic. Here we write the actual code like variables, functions, and conditions like that. Next we have to compile the program. Okay, next we have to compile the program, checks the program for errors. Next we have, after returning all the program, next we have to compile the program. There we have to check the errors, if any errors are there, if we any missed any functions, if any missed any condition, if we missed any semicolons, like that all here they're showing errors. Okay, if the errors were there, the program doesn't compile, like it's compiling doesn't run. Okay, it doesn't giving any output. If there is any error, it doesn't showing any output, it shows only errors. If no errors, the compilation is successful. So execute the program. There here, if there is doesn't any error, it execute the program. The program will run. Output is displayed on the screen. The finally the program is executed and we get the output. If there is if after compiling is there any error, it doesn't come. It doesn't run. It doesn't showing any output. If there is no an error, it compile and it run, and there is it shows the display. It displays the output. After execution, yeah, after execution displays the output. Next we got an output, we get an output. Next it will end. So C program follows four main steps: start, write the C program, compile, execute the program, output, and end. Okay, so I hope you understand. I hope you understand my language, and this is my very first video. So I hope this video helped you understand the basics of C programming language. So keep learning and keep practicing regularly. So practice is the key to mastering programming. And thank you once again. See you in the next video. Keep supporting me, and please subscribe to my channel. So as a beginner, please motivate me to do more videos, and if any suggestion, please comment down.